I don't know. Ah, it's video recording. We thought it was taking a picture, huh? There goes Hershey. Hey, Hershey. Everything is covered in white. And we had a whole bunch of trees fall down over there. Well, branches fall down from that tree. Over there, we have some branches in the backyard. There's Roxy, she's dirty and furry and hairy. She has her winter coat on, so she's good. Snickers, are you good? Snicky? Want to ignore me? Okay. Say hey. Ice Storm 2.0 2014. Are you looking at the camera? Yeah. In the house. It's covered with snow and ice. What are you doing, Hersh? What is Hershey doing? And Snickers. What are they doing? Oh, we have some more branches down. Let's go see. We have to assess the damage. We have branches down everywhere. We'll have to clean up a lot of trees after this is done. There goes Snickers. Hey, Snicky. You having fun? Let's see. Alright. Branches. Big ones. Yeah, it's a lot of branches. Yeah. Oh boy. It's gonna be a pretty big cleanup. Oh, one just fell over there. I heard it crack, which is why we're not going up under that tree, since it's evident that that tree is weak. And we are staying along the edge of the yard where there are no trees. Is that right? And to get back into the house, we'll take the path with no trees straight down there into the front door. So let's go back in, because there are trees steady falling, or branches steady falling. Now that we're back to the house, we can show you how these tree limbs are coated with ice. And this one is almost touching the ground from way up there. But Cyan is more focused on the dogs. Hey, ready to go back in and get warm? Y'all ready to go back in too? Roxanne? Alright, say bye, Cyan. Hey, say bye. Okay, the dog's got your attention.